What's goody? What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today, we're gonna be doing a lot. Like, we got a lot of stuff to do today. We gotta build the fuel system for the Honda. We gotta try to pull the motor for the Honda, so that way we can start putting the all-wheel drive brackets in the Honda. And then we also have to part out the Subi. So I was originally in my last video trying to find a motor for the Subi, but coming across, like looking around trying to find something, man, just realized that I'm not gonna be able to find a motor for the price that I'm trying to spend. I'm trying to spend under a certain price, that way when I sell the car I make a good amount of my money back. But I labeled all the parts of how much I want to sell them for, and I realized that I will make more money selling, like parting out the Subi, than actually trying to find a motor and trying to sell it. So what we're going to do is probably going to just part it out. I got a lot of people that want parts off the Subi, so you guys are probably going to be with me today for that. We got to go pick up the truck. As you know, I did buy F250. By the time this video come out, you'll see the F250 video drop. But I did buy F250 diesel, or F350. Why do I keep saying 250? F350 diesel. I bought one in Indiana. So we gotta go pick that truck up today, give y'all a POV while we drive that, and then we gotta go to the storage and start cleaning the storage out, because you know that thing's dusty as hell. So we're gonna try to grab all the fuel system stuff so we can start that, pull all the fuel lines out of the Honda and everything, and get that all ready to rock and roll, ready to go. So I don't think I ever gave y'all a POV of the fucking Mini Cooper. Yes, sir. Fires up like day one. Bro, I probably owned the Mini Cooper for probably 6 to 7 years, man. This thing has always ran like a fucking champ. Never gave me a problem. It's a manual. It's a manual. Yeah. Gotta go get the truck. Filling up the girl. Let me know how much you think it's gonna take to fill up this tank, man. Leave it in the comments. Let me know how much you think it's gonna fill up my tank. There you go. $118.56. 24 gallons. Sheesh. Yes, sir. I'm ready to swap this out, man. I got another one I'm pulling out the Subi. I'm gonna put in there. This thing is trash. If anybody wants this, let me know. I'm gonna tell you right now, it doesn't have Bluetooth. You can't hook your phone up USB. It's weird. Only way you can hook your phone up is through like a aux cord. And then when you plug it up through an aux cord, it barely plays. Like it doesn't sound as loud as it does like the radio. So everything's like dirty as hell, man. Finally being back after 9 months, everything is just dusty as fuck. So we got work to do. The first thing I want to do is try to clean up in here. I got gloves in the car. That would probably be the first thing I want to do. Get the Subi rolled back far enough where I can work on it, because you know I get no room in the front. But yeah, we got stuff to remove off this Subaru. Got a lot of requests, a lot of people that want to buy stuff off it. Like I said, I am gonna part this out, make more money parting it out than trying to like put a motor in it and sell it. Just as is, like for me, if I put a motor in it and then try to sell it, I won't make back what I spent. So it'd be best to just part off everything off it, and then later on have them come pick up the shell, have them haul the shell out. But as far as the Honda, we have to get all this stuff unplugged. Everything has to be unplugged at the Honda. It's not much, because you know it's a distributor, so it's not much, but everything that is attached to the Honda needs to come off. That way we can, like the intake, all that stuff needs to come off, so that way we can pull this motor out, clean up the engine bay, and then start putting the new brackets and stuff in. A lot of this stuff right here needs to come with me, because you got the fuel system and everything right here. That all has to come with me. I even bought, while I was overseas, I bought a race pack for this thing. Like it's getting serious with the Honda, and I didn't think it was gonna get this serious, but yeah, it's getting serious. So Got a bug on me. It's getting real serious, so I gotta put this radiator and all that stuff in. So we got time. Right now I'm just gonna work on the Subaru. So let me get the gloves so we can start cleaning. All right, so give y'all a better view. The Subaru. Seats are all clean, man. Everything's done. This steering wheel's took in. The radio's took in already. I know a guy wanted the buttons in the middle. One guy wants this, the roof vane, but he asked me, was it real or was it like put on? Because he thinks this car is a WRX, and I'm like, bro, it's an STI. He's like, oh, where's the badges? I showed him the badges, and he's like, okay, just remove it and then show me the holes. So I'm like, all right, bro, I got you. Like it's not an STI. I'm like, I got you, bro. Don't worry about it. The only reason why it doesn't have a spoiler is because I took the spoiler off, but it has STI covers and everything. So we gotta get to work on this. Then we gotta get to work on this. Then we be able to start building this when all this is gone. So actually we can start building this while this is getting gone. So that's a like even better plan, because I'll be making money off of this while I'm trying to fix this. So I'm sitting there, man, looking at this car, like just bouncing in the audience, and you know, thinking to myself, why the hell did I swap this car? You know, like I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking when I did it. Maybe it was because like it's something different, so that's kind of why I wanted to do it. Maybe that was the main reason why. But honestly, like when I think about it, I don't have a legitimate reason on why I did it. Like I don't have one at all. Like it's just, I don't know, man. I just feel like I probably got bored. I think that's like one of the main reasons I got bored, and I just wanted to try something different. But it was a dumb idea, honestly, because now I'm looking back, it's hard to get rid of this car. It's hard to get a Subi motor, like unless I put thousands of dollars into getting a new one, like, or building one, you know. So I just feel like that was the dumbest idea to swap this car. But other than that, we're gonna get this thing pieced out, all taken apart. That way we can get it going, man. Hate to see it, you know, get disassembled like this, but it's either this or just junky, you know. So I got this all removed now. Looks like a WRX now. But yeah, I got that removed. Original holes. That way you know it's a STI when you see these original in there. That's how you know it's a STI. Because WRXs, if they have one of those roof vanes put on, they have to drill holes here. So I thought I had to go through this way, and come to find out, all I have to do is remove from the outside. Don't really gotta remove from the inside. So that's one part ready to go. So let me get off the next part, which is I gotta look at my phone to see what it is. I think it was the brakes. One guy wanted the brakes off of it, the Brembos. So I'll take those Brembos off. And I think a guy wants the rear seat, and then the hood. So the hood has like minor hail damage. See, like it has like minor hail damage. Well, I'm only selling it for $100, so I just told him, I was like, just give me $100, you can have it. So get rid of that as well. The only thing I'm not gonna sell last minute is the steering wheel and the wheels, because when I get it out of here, it's gonna be a challenge. Officially got the brake calipers off. I just gotta remove the rear ones. Another guy asked me for like the dust covers that go under the fucking car. When they go under there, as you can see, there's a lot of spider webs and stuff. I'm removing those currently. I'm about to go on that side and remove the other one. Then I get those off. Don't judge me for my little glasses. Just keep dust on my damn eyes. But I'm gonna remove the one from this side, and then remove the rear brakes, and I'll be good. Started loading everything into the truck. Had to take my tires out.
The one guy that wanted the hood flaked on me. He said he couldn't buy it, so it don't bother me. Somebody else will buy it. Somebody's gonna need a hood, you know. So I told him I'll hang on to it as long as I can, but he also wanted one of the headlights. Now I got another guy that wants me to ship both the headlights to him. Waiting for him to hit me back before I even remove them. Because if I remove them and he doesn't hit me back, I'll be pissed. Well, I might as well remove them. Somebody's gonna buy them, so I might as well do it anyway and stop being lazy. But next, man, I think the transmission's gonna go. Some guy hit me up today. He wants the transmission, so that's possibly gonna go soon. Let me show you the digital dash. It's the IQ3S. S stands for street. So it comes with like the blinker lights and everything for me to be able to daily it on the street. And the thing's gonna be freaking nice because I keep breaking the original OEM dash in this car because it's just Honda stuff, man. It's not made to go 200 miles per hour. And then I make it go 200 miles per hour and then it breaks. So it's just Honda stuff. You know, I really shouldn't be riding it that hard, but race car shit. So look at this. Woohoo! Look at all that. We definitely gonna powder coat this because this is probably gonna rust. Maybe, I don't know. But I'm gonna take it once it's all done. I'm gonna take it off, give it to my boy Santos, have him powder coat it because he does the best to me, honestly. He doesn't. There's no drips. You know, he's OCD about that shit. He doesn't like drips in his powder coat, all that. So we're gonna give it to Santos and let him take care of it. Even though I said I was gonna leave, I went ahead and disconnected everything. So the only thing that's left connected, I even disconnected my clutch cable. So even though I said I wasn't going to drain the radiator, I drained it anyway. This is ready to get taken off, actually. I ain't gonna take it off right now. I'm just gonna cap it for right now. But when I get my hoist at the probably end of this week or maybe like in 2 days. When I get the hoist, I'll roll it back a little bit more and then we can pull the whole motor and trans. I'll take the trans off, inspect the clutch, see if the clutch is good. Clutch should be good. And then we can put it on the engine stand that I got over there. And then we could start, probably sell that trans, and then get the trans that I have, the CRV trans, mounted on, get everything buttoned up, remove the whole subframe. I'll put the other subframe inside the truck that I gotta clean up and paint and all that. Subframe's coming out. We went to a manual steering rack, so that's coming out too. The steering rack's coming out. And that should be it for like as far as the front end, and everything can get put back together. You know, I'm just trying to think of everything I got to do. I guess we could probably we got to go to base, handle some stuff at base, then we could hit up U-Pool maybe. Nah, not today. I'll probably hit U-Pool tomorrow. But shoot, that's kind of all I want to show y'all. Show everything in the storage. But like I said, like, comment, subscribe. Let me make sure it ain't too bright for y'all. Let me go in here. Nah, I got y'all. Wipe off the camera. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend if you're new. Tell a friend if you're not new. You know, just tell a friend. We're trying to get my channel out there. So we're gonna start getting into the race stuff once we fix everything that I literally broke with all these cars. So like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch y'all later. Peace. All right, I know I did my little spiel of like, comment, and follow and all that. That normally ends the video, but just wanted to show y'all I got the Lexus. Yes, sir. Got the Lexus on the trailer. What we doing with it, yo?